Good morning, students. Today we are going to know what is a pictogram and what is a bar graph. Let's start with the pictogram. A pictogram is a way of showing information on a graph but using pictures. We are going to use pictures. It's called pictogram from picture. So we are going to use pictures. Here I have a pictogram showing pupils' favorite colors. So we asked some pupils what their favorite color was. They choose red, blue, yellow, green or white. How many children chose red? For each pupil or for each child we will draw a face. So in front of red I have several faces. This is the number of pupils who chose red as their favorite color. So how many pupils chose red as their favorite color? This is red. Let's count the faces in front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the blue? How many pupils chose blue as their favorite color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is something very important I want to show you here. It's written each face represents one pupil. This is called my key. This is called the key of the pictogram. What does this key mean? It means that each face counts one pupil. So for example, how many pupils chose yellow as their favorite color? I will count 1, 2, 3. They are 3. Why? Because each face represents one pupil. So I'm counting by 1. I'm counting by 1. Okay, how many pupils chose green as their favorite color? I will count by 1 because my key is 1. Each face is one pupil. So for the green color, 1, 2, 3, 4 pupils chose green as their favorite color. How many pupils chose white as their favorite color? Only one pupil. Okay, so let's count again the pupils that chose red as their favorite color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the pupils that chose blue as their favorite color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many chose yellow for their favorite color? 1, 2, 3. 3 faces and each face is for one pupil. So for yellow there are 3 pupils. How many chose green? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chose white? Only one pupil. This is called the key. For this pictogram, each face represents one pupil. So, can I change this key? Can it be any other number than 1? Oh yes, we'll see this now. Okay, now in this pictogram I have one last step. I want to put the colors in order of popularity starting from the most popular. What does this mean? I will put the biggest number first and work my way down to the smallest number. So here the blue has the biggest number, so I will put it at the beginning. Let's see. Blue is the first one because it has the largest or the greatest number. Then comes the red. I am just arranging them from the greatest to the smallest. The green comes next with 4 pupils. The yellow next with 3 pupils. And the white for only 1 pupil, so I put it at the end. Okay, this pictogram is for pupils' favorite colors too, but I have something different here. Look at the key. Each face represents 2 pupils. What does this mean? It means that, for example, this face is for not 1 pupil only. It's 2 pupils. So, if I want to know how many pupils chose red for their favorite color, what shall I do? I will count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is the number 8? No, actually it's not 8. Each face is for 2 pupils. So the number is 8 multiplied by 2, which is 16. Okay, what about the blue? How many pupils chose blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they 5 pupils? I will check my key. If the key is 1, I am sure they are 5 pupils, but my key is 2. What does this mean? It means this face is 2, and then another 2, 4, another 2, 6, another 2, 8, and another 2 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. Okay, so let's do it. Let's count again. How many pupils chose red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But before I put my number, I will check my key. My key is 2, so the number is 8 multiplied by 2, which is 16. What about the blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5? I will check the key. Each face is for 2 pupils. So the number here is not 5. It's 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. What about the yellow? 1, 2, 3 faces. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. What about the green? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So I have 8 pupils preferring the color green.